Hello all, this is Sachin. Welcome to this session. In today's session, I am going to talk about why to use Gradle and what is the key difference between Gradle and Maven. Let me start. So Gradle, it's an open source build automation tool that uses a domain specific language based on the programming language Groovy. And if we talk about the Maven, Maven also it's an open source build automation tool. It is mostly used with Java based project. Okay, let me continue to second point. It does not use an XML file for declaring the project configuration. It uses the domain specific language Groovy DSL. And if you see like Maven, so it uses an XML file for declaring the project dependencies, the build order and required plugin. So if you're working on the Maven, then you can see like you are having one XML file and where we are defining all the dependencies, build order. Also, we can define the plugins. And if you talk about the Gradle, we do have file called build.gradle where we can define all the project configuration and we use the language Groovy. Okay, let me continue. Third point says it avoids the work by tracking input and output tasks and only run the tasks that have been changed. Hence, it gives a faster performance. What does it mean? It means if you are executing, if you are compiling, then it compile only the update part. It is not going to compile the whole project. So whatever the modification happened, it will compile only that part. Just that's why it is very fast as compared to other tool. And if you see like Maven, it does not use the build cache. This its build time is slower than Gradle. So in Maven, if you are updating any small part, then it compile again the whole project. So that is a difference. That is a key difference between Gradle and Maven. That's why it is faster than Maven. Let me continue to fourth point. Gradle allows for a wide range of customization and it's very flexible. And if you see about the Maven, Maven has a limited number of parameter and requirements, so customization is a bit complicated. So we can see in other words, so if you're working any very big project, then better to use the Gradle where you will get lots of customization features and which is not available in the Maven. Okay, let me continue to the next point. Gradle scripts are short, clean, and easy to understand. And if you see about Maven build script written in XML are neither as short nor as easy to understand as Gradle script are. So Gradle script are very short as compared to Maven. So if I take one example in Maven, in Maven XML file, if you are writing the 20 lines of 20 lines of XML code, and this 20 line we can cover within 10 line or less than in Gradle. So that is why it's very neat and clean and very short as compared to Maven lines of code. Okay, let me continue. Hope this comparison is clear to everyone. So there are some key points. So let me open first one, highly customizable. So Gradle is very highly customizable based on the project requirement. If you want to work in Java, then use the Java plugin. If you are going to work in Android or Scala, then use the Android or Scala plugins. Is very customizable and very flexible as compared to other tools. Let me move to next point. It is easy to use and maintain as compared to other tools. And Gradle integration process is quite easier. It support a multi-project structure, so we can use Gradle in multi-project at the same time. and it is easy to migrate to Gradle from Maven or other build tool. So it's very easy. So if you're working in Maven or like and Apache, and then you can easily migrate to Gradle. It won't take more time because the documentation is very neat and clean. Uh, if you go to the Gradle website, where you will get couple of document available, and you can easily migrate to the Gradle. Okay, let me continue. It provide high performance and scalable builds. It's uh, very fast as compared to the other tool. Okay, let me continue. So I'll in next slide I'll show you how it is fast as compared to the Maven or other tools. Okay, so here we can see the performance. So Gradle versus Maven performance. So here I'm going to demonstrate how Gradle is fast than Maven. So as per the Gradle documentation is faster than Maven. Please see this comparison. So you will see there is a one video, and where you can easily see the comparison between the Gradle. Okay, so let me move. Okay, now we can see here comparison. And left hand side is Gradle, and right hand side is the Maven. And you can 75% completed in Gradle, and both are executing. Still it's executing, and Gradle will success. We can see build successful, and still Maven will it's executing. The compilation is still going on. So here we can see it's very fast as compared to the Maven. See, now it's completed, build success. Okay, so that's all I want to cover in this session. And here we have seen like Gradle versus Maven, and we have seen like Gradle is faster than Maven, and we have seen some key features as well. And in next video, I'll showcase you how we can use Gradle in Eclipse, and how can we use Gradle in any project. Okay, thank you guys. Please like, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.